friends, Running Kimono here. I know I haven't done this video in a couple of minutes, but I'm back and we're doing a Dollar General 5 off 25, pairing it with the 5 off of 30 for Gain. Now, right off the bat, before people come for me in the comments and say this doesn't work, if it doesn't work in your area, you probably already have an idea, and just be mindful of that. Some stores or some regions it does not stack. However, if you might have a paper 5 off 25 that you got the week previous, this is an example. I didn't have one for this week, so please also don't come for me in the comments. It's just an example. You could stack a paper one with the digital 5 off 30. It typically works. Couple more rules for you guys. Again, not all stores this stacks. I know like in Indiana, in certain parts of Indiana, it just absolutely doesn't work. We're looking at doing these deals on Saturday the 17th only to stack the 5 off 30 and the 5 off 25. 5 off 25 is Saturday only, that's why. If you want to do these deals before this time, it's going to be an extra $5 because you obviously can't use the 5 off 25 Saturday coupon. I would recommend in the Dollar General app to scan each item to ensure that the digital coupons and the 5 off 30 are attaching. 5 off 25 will not show. With the cost of inflation and everything going on in the world, definitely double, triple check the math in your region that it's ringing up for the cost that I'm describing in this video. And if your basket, the digital coupons, or whatever problems you're having on Saturday, because sometimes these issues happen, what I would strongly encourage and recommend is to possibly, you can't void your transaction because some regions absolutely refuse a void, but whatever rang up super uber expensive, you can return it or do my favorite, I forgot my wallet, how are you going to pay for it? And then they're going to have to void the transaction. Now, I made a video a couple years back on how to use the Dollar General app to scan to ensure that digital coupons are attaching and so on and so forth. So I will link this video in the notes and at the very end. Very good video to watch if you're just like totally not sure what I'm talking about, how to scan items. Also, in the month of August, we had a 5 off 20 for Gain and then the 5 off 25. So on a Saturday, I did this basket and I paid like just under $5. And this is the beauty and magic of stacking a Gain 5 off 25, you know, with the 5 off 30 or the 5 off 20, whatever they're doing. If you follow me on Instagram, I will be out next Saturday doing deals. If you just want to double, triple check, like is she having any luck with any of her deals, check over there and I will be posting info for you guys, because sometimes this stuff can be a bit erratic, but it is the Dollar General. So sometimes you gotta, you know, swim in these uncharted waters to really get the magic to happen where you're getting a basket for under $5 like this one. Okay, so the first deal, we're going to look at it two different ways. We're going there on the 17th, which is the Saturday. We're going to need our two best friends loaded that include the 5 off of 25 along with the 5 off of 30. We're going to grab one of these massive Gain fireworks, 2 of the Gain Power Blast sprays, and then 1 liquid detergent for $5.50. And this is like $30 and some change for this entire basket. Now, tiptoeing through the store, as you can see, $15.95. This is the biggest Gain fireworks that they sell. It says on the tag that there's a $3 coupon, which there is, and we will look at the deal with the $3 digital. However, last Friday, so the Friday the 9th, for like 2 days, you could load this coupon, which was an $8 off. So hopefully you still have it. Guess what, guys? I was able to load this on all of my store accounts, so I'm hoping most of you have it as well. We're also going to grab 2 of these little cuties for $4.50 a piece. Lots of the stores around me still had a ton left in stock, so I don't think people are really doing this deal. And as you can see, $3.99 off of 2, and it's valid this week. So double, triple check the math that it's ringing up for the cost that we're describing also in this video. This is probably one item they're probably going to raise the price just because. And as you can see, we have a $3.99 off of 2, the Dawn dish power wash, and it's also for the Gain one too. And then to get the basket right to that beautiful $30 price point, we're going to grab one of these detergents for $5.50. We have a dollar digital to accompany this, and then as you can see the little tag. But we're going to go with the detergent just because I'm always like talking about fabric softener like I have a problem. And here is the digital coupon. Please make sure you have this guy loaded, and it expires on Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it. Okay, guys, so looking at the basket, a lot of people are saying to scan the detergent first so all the digitals work. So who knows? Do whatever you want. I'm going to scan it first. The detergent for $5.50. 2 of those Gain Power Blasts, so the Trigger dish soap spray for $9.50, and then 1 Gain Fireworks, that massive one, for $15.95. So adding all of that beautiful merchandise up together is a total of $30.95 as the cashier is scanning your merchandise, punch in your phone number. 5 off 25 and 5 off 30 will come off, along with $12.99 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $7.96 plus your tax for the 4 items, equaling it to $1.99 per product. Considering one of the products is just under 16 bucks, this is a absolutely fantastic deal if you can line it up. Now, if you do not have that $8 coupon, but if you have this one, let's just look at that same deal, but in a different lens. So if you do not have it, we still have you covered for another deal. Grabbing 1 Gain detergent for $5.50, 2 of those Gain Power Blasts for $9.50, and then 1 Gain Fireworks for $15.95 for a total of $30.95. As the cashier scanning all of your merchandise, punch in your phone number. The 2 5 off 20 and 5 off 30 will come off, along with $7.99 of digital manufacturers, making it $12.96 for the 4 items, or $3.24 each. So if you have the $8 coupon instead of that $3 coupon, it's an extra $5 off. So hopefully you could see the absolute value right there. Okay, the last deal that I have cooked up for you, it's just a little ragtag of items. We're going to need our 2 best friends loaded. That include the 5 off 30 and the 5 off of 25. We're going to grab 2 of the Febreze Air Effects with the Gain scent for $3.25. Now be careful in store that you're grabbing the right ones with the Gain scent. This is a Gain deal, guys. We're going to load this, which is a $3.30 off of 2. This coupon you had to load a couple weeks back. I didn't on one of my store cards, so I'm kind of out of luck there. We're also going to grab 2 of these best friends for $9.50. And as you remember, we have a $3.99 off of 2. So hopefully you still have this loaded. I just haven't been out to the Dollar General in the last couple of weeks because I've been really busy this whole month of September. So load this one for the little dealio. And then we're going to grab Old Faithful. Give this to your mother-in-law. You'll be her best friend. For $15.95, this massive 107 load of the Gain detergent. Now we have this $3 digital to load to make this deal happen, and that is a good amount of detergent. Okay, so taking a quick peek at the mathematics, 2 of the Febreze Air Effect with Gain for $6.50, 2 of the Gain Power Blast for $9.50, and then 1 Gain detergent, that massive one, for $15.95, for a total of $31.95. As the cashier scanning all of your merchandise, punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 are coming off, along with $10.29 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $11.66 for the 5 items, shaking it out to $2.33 each. This one I think you can call not too shabby, not a bad deal, and I really like it. I think it's a great basket. Now, before I take off, a lot of you are asking when the next clearance event is going to be taking place. I was in a store on Monday, and my goodness gracious, they have really been stocking up like really thick. So as I said in August, I made a video with my just guessing a date, like crystal balling it a little bit. I still think it's going to be the Columbus Day weekend, which is the 7th, 8th, and 9th. Again, my speculation and just a guess, but going as per the last 4 years of this clearance event, it's probably going to line up on that weekend. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.